You people of Ugep want to take everything. Even if na councillor for mosquito ward, you say must be Ugep man. But who has the numbers? We have the people, we have the crowd.
Children of Yaakov, listen with your ears and your stomach. Yes, Ugep is the largest town in Yaakov LGA. From Biko Biko to Ishiman, Usaja to Ijo, Ntanko to Ibaka Pits, the numbers are plenty. But what has size brought?
It's not just a channel. This is the village square where truth is spoken and where justice is defended. And this is the place where no masquerade is too mighty to be unmasked. If you believe in truth and wisdom, please subscribe. For here, we do not fear crowns or thrones. We fear only silence.
When the day of politics comes, instead of one drum beat, Ugep will beat 10 drums. Brothers drag brothers. Kinsmen fight kinsmen. While you scatter your votes on the floor like palm kernel, smaller villages like Agoi, Upani, Uko, and the Kuri gather their ass in one fist, and that one fist strikes harder than we get open hands. This is why an Ugep man with all your population always sits in the gallery, while others sit on the high chair. The truth is simple. Monopoly without unity is emptiness. You play with it. That the seat is yours. That the right of numbers.
We have the crowd.
But you defeat yourself with pride and division. Politics is not about numbers alone. It's about unity, strategy, and respect. Until an Ugep man learns that one broomstick cannot sweep, but the bundle can clear a compound, you will keep shouting, "We are many," and yet go home with nothing. The Obol Lopon has spoken. He who carries a bowl of yam and fights himself will go hungry, while the smaller man who shares his crumbs will eat in peace.
You still there, you never subscribe. You won't make a ball appear for your dream. I beg, subscribe.